Mets and Reds wrapping up the 2011 season. Jose Reyes with a chance for a National League batting crown. First at bat for him, bottom of the first, facing Edison Volquez.
And drops down a bunt, and it's a beauty. Francisco has no play, and Reyes has a hit under his belt. His batting average goes up to .337.
Reyes would leave after that at bat, get some congratulations from his teammates and from the skipper. We'll press on. Bottom four, still scoreless. Volquez facing Nick Evans. 2 on, 1 out. And Evans floats one into center field. Job well done. Willie Harris, he comes around to score. The Mets first on the board. It's 1-0 New York. As for Miguel Batista, he got the start. He allowed a hit in the first, allowed a hit in the second, and that was it. Gets Volquez in the fifth. The same to Edgar Renteria and Jay Bruce in the sixth. We'll jump now to the bottom of the sixth. Queens native Mike Baxter standing in with a man on. It's still 1-0.
Baxter hits it deep to right field. Back goes Bruce up near the wall, and it's out of here! Mike Baxter with his first Major League home run. Mike from Whitestone with his first home run in Queens, and it's 3-0 New York.
And that was all the Mets needed. Batista, here he is in the ninth, facing Jay Bruce with a chance for a complete game shutout.
And Jay Bruce hits it out to left. Willie Harris back and makes the catch. And Miguel Batista finishes off a 2-hit shutout to close out the Mets' 50th season of baseball.
The Mets win it 3-0. They finish their season 77-85 in fourth place in the National League East. As for Reyes, Ryan Braun could not get the job done. That means Jose Reyes is the 2011 National League batting champion with that .337 average. He becomes the first Met ever to win an NL batting crown.